Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's Bitcoin update for Sunday, 23 of January. Yeah, I'm just feeling a little bit better with the fever right now, and I'm just good enough for actually to make to be a little bit social and continue with the updates as well. Now, business picks up as usual, and we're gonna continue with the updates. And just have been making you aware before about the market. This time is not gonna be any different, right? So today's update is still quite important, and I think there's a Bears festival going on. I kind of like have to, give you a heads up that we might be entering the bear market very soon. Okay, so don't be happy with this small pullback in a green candle. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna show you why that's fake. Okay, it's not a good pullback. Now there are some things to actually discuss. There are so many things to talk about, and the potential play of Bitcoin at this very point of time. So that's what I'm really looking for. Now, on the weekly time frame, guys, I still stick with the fact that this, bear flag right here. Why the hell am I not being able to draw right now? What the hell is this? All right, from there to there. What the hell? I don't know why my internet always mess up when I'm so serious. I'm just gonna refresh the page a little bit. Damn you, internet. I'm just gonna connect something else. Here we are. Let's refresh. Sorry, guys, for this mess. Alright, my internet is lazy just as me. So here we are, and yeah, let's talk about the weekly time frame. Okay, that's really important at this point. So here we are. I'm just gonna hide the Bollinger Bands once again. And what I was trying to say is this bear flag has a technical target that has not been met just yet. So don't be excited about the pullbacks, okay? Do not be excited about it. So the technical target of this one takes you all the way down. This is where you broke out, and yes, you're gonna go maybe potentially to that $27,000, or yeah, it seems like it's taking you down to $27,000, isn't it? Yeah, it is. It's just the technical target that I've shown you. It's not my own opinion, but that's the technical target out of that bear flag. So this was your bear flag, right? Like that. I just want to double check. Is it 27,000 or is it 29,000? The last time I checked, it was kind of $29,000. All right, so it seems like kind of weird. Let's say 29,000, okay? $29,000 is where I see Bitcoin still dropping to. Now, the scenario is, now let's say that you do fall to $29,000, right? The last time you went to $29,000 right there, you picked to the upside and you went all the way through to $69,000. But it's not going to be the same this time. I don't think it's going to be the same, and there's a reason for that, okay? Now, the last time you were making wicks down there, and to tell you something, I'm actually going to dive into the monthly time frame, and I just want to talk about the particular play that can happen in the future as well. So here we are, and you see, we had wicks to the downside and wicks to the downside. If I zoom in and study this one with you, you never closed below $35,000. You never closed below that. So if you really look at it this way, that in itself is a support, right? It is a support, and this one is backed up by the Bollinger Bands. So here's the Bollinger Bands. You can already see that the middle line is there as a support right now. But why do I still think that this is not going to hold up? Is because the technical target, of course, of that bear flag has not played out. Okay, so by February we might see $29,000, and then from here, what I want to say is, if you actually went to the 29,000, and in February you get that candle closing below $35,000, which we never did in this place. Yes, you can see we went down to $29,000, then quickly picked to the upside. Went down to the $29,000, quickly picked to the upside. So it was always a wick down, another wick down, okay? What if the body just closes below $35,000? That's going to tell me that we are looking to go even way more down, okay? So that particular support of the $35,000 doesn't remain anymore, doesn't remain. So if you actually draw a line like this and you close below this line by February, then in my opinion March is also going to be dumpy, and April is going to be dumpy, and you're going to be going to the bear market. Now honestly, I do think the bear market could be upon us, and previously in the history we always dumped by 85%. Okay, so 85% is what, uh, going all the way down to 85%, or let's say 80%. You're gonna see Bitcoin at $12,000, and it's gonna freak a lot of people, especially new investors who just came in, and they're new into the game. They're gonna be depressed. They're gonna be in anger. Probably want to throw up, and I cannot blame them. This is something. This is just how cryptocurrency is. Okay, this is not forex. This is not stocks. It's crypto. Okay, and we've seen this three times before. Bitcoin dropping all the way down by 80%, but it always recovered. That's the beauty of it. And what's the chances of Bitcoin recovering again? 100% chance. Okay, why? If I do go to the BLX once again, let's talk about the BLX. Here we are with the BLX, and it seems like we're also breaking out of this ascending triangle. So yes, you're gonna go to 25,000 next targets probably. But I want to say that drops like this happened before. Okay, so here we are. This is how high we went, and then from there we dropped by 91%. Okay, 91%, but we still recovered. In the future, we went all the way back. Okay, we went all the way back. It's not like we didn't recover. And then once again, from this top right there, we went down by 75% or 80%. Then what happened? What happened is that we still recovered back up. All right. In 2017 bull cycle top, 19,000 dollars all the way down to $3,000, 82% drop. We still recovered, and we went all the way back to $69,000. So everyone wishes to have one Bitcoin. Okay, everyone wishes to have that. Microsoft is not an idiot to actually buy it. The richest man in the world, who is Elon, he has Bitcoin. A country like El Salvador, they have Bitcoin. Yes, adoption is there, but the thing is that Bitcoin is very volatile when it comes to its price movements. That you keep moving to the upside, and then you keep moving to the downside, and then you go back up, straight up, all the way back to the upside. Now, basically, there's still a message that I do want to give out there, and honestly, frankly speaking, I don't give financial advices in any of these videos. As a matter of fact, I tell so many people that buying and selling is up to you. It's your call. And the reason why YouTubers say that they are not financial advisors is not because we're afraid of anyone. It's not because it's not, we're not trying to get through we're not trying to run away just by saying that word. Okay, you might think, oh no, they just tell their stories and then they go away saying that they're not financial advisors. It's true. The reason why we're not financial advisors is because my way of investing and your way of investing is totally 110% different. Okay, how much do are you willing to lose, and how much I'm willing to lose is totally different. How much are you going to invest, how much am I going to invest is totally different. What's your discipline after investing, and what's the discipline after I invest is totally different. Are you willing to invest $10 only? I'm willing to only lose $10. Are you gonna do the same? That's totally different, okay? So if you're gonna actually consider these videos as a financial advices, you shouldn't. As a matter of fact, this is meant for educational purposes, because what I do is chart reading right there, okay? So I read the charts for people. I don't tell them to buy or sell anything. Now let's say they needed financial advice from my side. I'm actually gonna give them a way that there's a management of investing something, right? You just don't go on and invest all of your money into crypto. I don't want people to like, sell their house, their wife, their kids, and then come to the channel and then say, "Oh no, we bought because of you, or we did something because of you." No, that's unfair with someone, and that's childish, for some particular reason. But anyway, it is what it is. Whatever happens, happens for good, by the way. And for for people who have won Bitcoin and bought on the top of the mountain, right? The only message that I'm gonna give in this part is that they can hold their Bitcoin. Damn, Bitcoin, one day it's gonna go to 100K, and probably even that 200K, or to the top of the mountain. We always recovered back based on the history, okay? We went down, we went up, we went down, we went up, we went down again. One day we went back up. We are gonna go down, and maybe by that 2024, 23, you could still go back up. Who knows? In this year alone, you could still get 100K. Okay, so treat these things as investments. I don't know why people just come in, buy, and they think that just because the market didn't go up, so everything is a scam and everything is bad. And we cannot actually rule the market. We can never rule the market. I always say this: let the market give you what it wants to do, and invest when it's feasible to do so as well. And anyway, be careful of the bears. $29,000 is on the cards. When we get down to $29,000, we're gonna talk about it. We're gonna talk about if there is more dump spending to come all along the way, and if we actually dumped by 80% from $69,000, I think that's the best opportunity once again to load up for the Bitcoin as well. That's it for today's update. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Love is.